Hello, teacher, and welcome to Fall 2011 Digital Bridges for Children. I'm Kathleen Bueller, Children's Editor. A new way of life is a theme for our study this quarter. One unit of our study is found in the Old Testament, and the other two are in the New Testament. We'll start with a man named Joseph, picking up in Genesis where we left off in the summer. Joseph found himself in a different culture and land, but he carried his faith in God into this new life. Throughout his time in Potiphar's house, in prison, and in Pharaoh's court, he found that God was with him. After our study of Joseph, we'll jump hundreds of years ahead to Jerusalem, Judea, and Samaria in the New Testament times. We'll take a different journey as we look at how the early church learned to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ beyond their cultural and geographical borders. Unit 2 will take us from the persecution of the apostles in Acts 5 to Paul's conversion in Acts 9. The Holy Spirit was giving the believers boldness in the face of persecution, helping them handle conflict, and teaching them that the gospel was for everyone. In Unit 3, we'll follow a believer named Peter and his continuing growth in living in the power of God's Spirit. Peter was instrumental in the healing of Aeneas and Dorcas, in the conversion of the Roman centurion Cornelius and his family, and in helping the Jerusalem church realize that God was calling Gentiles as well as Jews and pouring out His Spirit on them. These faith journeys of Joseph, Peter, and the early church are important to our journey as God's people. They are part of our faith heritage. We hope the resources we have provided on this CD will prove useful as you help your students catch the excitement of this journey that is theirs too. God bless you, teacher.